one terribly collapsed brake hose. I mean, there is nothing. But on the positive side, somebody's been in this at some point recently. I'd say like a new adjuster, new wheel cylinder, and some new shoes. On this side over here, same thing. But they, I don't know if they put new hoses on or not. It looks pretty rough to be a beast. So at some point, somebody put some shoes and wheel cylinders on it. We're gonna keep our fingers crossed. I managed to replace the rubber hose that goes down through there because it was collapsed too. I got that replaced. Actually, when I undone the bolt there that splits it between the brake light switch and the hose, the pedal started, you know, pumping fluid, and I was like, nothing wrong with the master cylinder, because I had already ordered this booster and a dual reservoir, and it may still be that I put that on it, but just to, I would really like to keep it original if at all possible, but we got a backup plan if the factory stuff don't work. So we're gonna go see if we can find some hoses. Get that one on there. Let's see what happens here. One man show. Bleeding brakes. Darth Vader wings.